Welcome to our Python tutorial videos. Today, we'll explore on Python functions, defining and using functions. Here's the content for your Python functions, defining and using functions. Functions in Python are reusable blocks of code created to perform specific tasks. They help you write cleaner, more organized code by breaking it into smaller, manageable pieces. Functions improve code reusability, readability, and make debugging easier. To define a function in Python, use the def keyword, followed by the function name in parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you can specify optional parameters. The function body contains the code that runs when the function is called. For instance, the greet function prints hello, world, when invoked. To call a function, simply use its name followed by parentheses. For example, after defining a greet function, calling greet will execute the code inside the function and print hello, world. Functions can accept data as parameters, which makes them more versatile. For example, the greet function takes a parameter name and personalizes the greeting. When you call greet, Alice, it outputs, hello, Alice. The return statement allows a function to send a result back to the caller. For instance, the add function takes two numbers as input, adds them, and returns the result. When we store the output in result and print it, we see the sum, which is 8. You can assign default values to parameters in a function. If no argument is provided when the function is called, the default value is used. For instance, the greet function will print hello, guest, if no name is passed. Understanding variable scope is important when working with functions. Variables defined inside a function have a local scope and can only be accessed within that function. Variables defined outside any function have a global scope and can be accessed throughout the program. Lambda functions are anonymous, single-line functions in Python. They're useful for short operations that don't require a full function definition. For example, a lambda function can calculate the square of a number in one line of code. When creating functions, use meaningful names for the function and its parameters to make your code readable. Keep functions small and focused on a single task. Finally, add comments or docstrings to explain what your function does for better maintainability. In summary, functions are powerful tools for improving code reusability and readability. Use parameters and return values to make your functions flexible, understand variable scope, and explore Lambda functions for concise operations.
For more videos, please visit the channel and go to respective playlist. And please subscribe the channel for more content, and to encourage us, please like the video.